So this is a very short summary recording of the first Bachatango solo routine that we did. I'm going to face the front and then you can copy the steps. This has already been taught in the class. This is just a short summary, just as a mental recap. So we did a right side bachata basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left, 6, 7, 8. We did forwards and back with a little gancho, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Landed the feet open, did the bachata hips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set off on the left foot, repeated everything on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We then set off into the 2 forward ochos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, close. Put the weight on it. Going backwards, back, swivel, back, swivel, back, tap, forwards, close. Right side lunge and little drag, left side lunge and little drag. Okay, I count that all now with the numbers and I'll dance it the whole way through. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the first time we did the Bachatango, and that's our short solo routine just to get us started for our beginners. Okay, see you in the next video.